Can you answer today's 5 questions? Questions start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who named the Pacific Ocean? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer: Magellan. Which animal can be seen on the Porsche logo? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is a horse. What is the rarest M&M color? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is brown. Which 2 countries have not missed a single modern-day Olympics? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Greece and Australia. What is the hottest planet in the Solar System? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Venus. With a temperature of 460 degrees Celsius or 860 Fahrenheit. Better luck tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.